AMC definitely had a rough day today. I mean, we were down 12, 13% at one point. And yes, although we did bounce off support around $38.50 per share, and yes, we closed above $40 per share, it can still be hard to take in some of these red days and justify how we can stay in this stock and why they can beat us down day after day after day. Please do not forget, we are still doing extremely well. We are still winning here. We were at $2 per share back in January. We are currently above $40 per share. We are not the losers in this situation. The hedge funds, the short positions, are the losers in this situation. So let's just briefly discuss how they can continue to kick this thing down the road, maybe how long it's going to last until we finally see the mother of all short squeezes, and why it is imperative that we all hold this stock so that we can all achieve the life-changing money that everyone has set out to achieve. So of course, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and man, we are growing our portfolios together. Even on red days, we are still up. Now, I understand a lot of people out there may have gotten in back in June, back in May when it was ripping higher, and we may be down on our portfolios, but it's okay, okay? It's all right. This is not the top of the short squeeze. This market pullback is not the end of the stock market. And every single time the stock market pulls back, every single time we string a couple red days together, fear sets in. It is no different than any time in the past that we've seen pullbacks. Fear sets in. We need to overcome that fear. If you do not overcome that fear, I have to put it blunt, we will lose out. If you do not overcome the fear, we will lose the battle. And that is exactly what this is. I can't stress enough how important it is to never overestimate your enemy, and I feel a lot of people are. And I don't know if it's because every other YouTube video and every other Reddit post and every other Twitter post out there says that the short squeeze is happening tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, the short squeeze doesn't happen, and it's happening tomorrow. And then that tomorrow comes, and the short squeeze doesn't happen, and it's happening tomorrow. It's like you're being strung along with, just one more day, just one more day. And it's time to sit back, okay? I'm not saying sit back, get complacent, and just turn the other cheek and look away. No, it's time to take a breath. It's time to realize that this isn't some sort of a are we there yet moment. This is an enjoy the journey and await the mother of all short squeezes. That is not just some acronym because it looks funny. MOAS. Yeah, MOAS looks funny, right? It's not just some acronym because we're being goofy. AMC has the potential to be the mother of all short squeezes. That means it has more potential to make greater returns than anything in history and potentially anything that is allowed to short squeeze in the future. We are here for a couple reasons, and everybody needs to be reminded of these reasons. The short squeeze, not only will it provide you life-changing money, not only will it give you the financial future that you want and deserve, but it could absolutely change the financial system from here on out. If you expect continued short squeezes in the same vicinity, in the same I don't even know how to describe it, the same magnitude of what AMC can do, if AMC reaches its potential, good luck on AMC ever happening again in the future. If the AMC Stock Short Squeeze reaches these numbers that everybody posts about every single day, good luck on it happening in the future. So here's what that means. Hedge funds are not willing to let this go. The institutions who are shorting AMC are not willing to hand over trillions of dollars to a bunch of dumb kids who eat crayons and just I don't even know, guys. You understand the meme culture that's behind AMC and GameStop and all of these different meme stocks that they talk about out there, right? You understand that the hedge funds will not allow us to be victorious by just rolling over and dying. Absolutely not. We must take what is ours. And I'm not starting some revolution here where we have to go out and physically and forcefully take it. It's very simple. If you own a share of AMC, it's yours. Whatever the price is that you want to put on there, it's yours. It's different from all the other stocks because it's got guaranteed buys, no matter what the price is. And it's hard to understand. Okay, it truly is. It's hard to understand, especially when they beat us down in price. I get it. We've been here for the better part of a year now. We're going on almost, people are going to start turning into long-term capital gains here, which is good. That's a lot less taxes we have to pay. But maybe we go a year. Maybe people are excited for a minute about long-term capital gains, and then we start to see some red days, right? Maybe we start to see some pullback. Maybe we start to see increased short selling, and the short interest starts to rise. Well, here's what you need to remember. The hedge funds only have one job at this point. It's to outlast you. The hedge funds only have one job, and that's to make sure you give up. Because they know if you don't give up, you've already won. There's nothing you have to do besides hold that stock until the price you are willing to accept appears on the screen. Then you click sell. So they know that they've lost the battle if we can outlast them. They will try everything they can. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We've seen it. Divide and conquer. We've seen it. And just now, the battle of, I don't even know how to put it, patience or willpower or whatever you call it. Who can last longer? It's as simple as that, guys. They will throw every single tactic possible at us. They make us uncertain. They make us fearful. They throw these down days at us. They get us excited. They play with your emotions. They get you excited. The stock price goes up, right? Everybody's excited because AMC's going up. It's looking good. We've got more buying pressure coming on. Then it goes down. They get you exhausted. They want you to give up. Because if you give up, your friend will give up. If you and your friend give up, maybe some of your family members will give up. If your family member, you and your friend start to give up, the ball starts rolling. You see how it starts rolling? The price, the downward pressure on the price starts to roll it down the hill. You're giving up. I'm giving up. He's giving up. She's giving up. Do you see what happens? It starts to mount. And that pressure, that burden gets harder and more. We can't carry it alone. We have to continue to just lift each other's presence up a little bit, excite each other. We have to encourage each other. We have to build each other up and just whatever it takes to stay confident in this play is exactly what we need to do. Because if they can deter a few, they can deter the many. And if they can separate us and they divide us and they take this group out, then they take this group out, then they take this group out, think about how easy that is for them. If we stay united, if we build each other up, and if we make a commitment right now to not sell AMC until we reach those prices that we absolutely want to reach, it's game over. I have not overextended myself in my portfolio to the point where I can no longer eat dinner, I can't have breakfast or lunch, and my electric bill is paid, so on. If you found yourself overextended into AMC, maybe it's time to pull back a little bit. Invest what you are willing to hold. This short squeeze play has more potential than any day trade, has more potential than any swing trade, any whatever momentum play you want to talk about in AMC. The short squeeze is potentially a once in a lifetime opportunity to make life-changing money. And they will do every single thing that they can to deter you and I from holding the stock so that they don't have to pay us trillions of dollars. I want to know down in the comments below, guys, right now, if you are willing to hold, if you're tired, let us know. we'll build you up. If you're exhausted and you don't think you can move on any further, let us know. We'll hold you up. There's no such thing as an honest shill. If you show the fact that you are weary and whatever, we will lift you up. That is what this community is about. It's not about tearing people down. It is about lifting each other up and making sure that all of your brothers and sisters reach that life-changing financial freedom, financial security that we all set out for in the beginning. So guys, I want to know right now if you are just in this together. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. If you want to sign up for Webull, it's a $100 deposit. You can use the link in the description below. It's an excellent brokerage, guys. And if you're brand new to trading, or even if you want a separate brokerage account, you can use that link down there. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Follow me there. And of course, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.